Creating good thumbnails is a challenge for new YouTubers and even a challenge for some veterans of the YouTube game. I put together a free pack of thumbnail templates that should really help you out. So let's get to it. One of the things I struggled with most when I first started YouTube was thumbnails. I couldn't figure out the techniques that people were using to create them. I could never find readable fonts. It was just a disaster. And I saw so many great thumbnails, and I always remember thinking, how do they fit all that stuff in there? Eventually, with practice, a lot of practice, I figured it out. So for you, I put together a free thumbnail template pack, and they're in PSD format, which you can edit in Photoshop or GIMP, which is totally free. There's a link in the description. And there are lots of different styles in this thumbnail pack, so you can just change your graphics, edit the text to say whatever you want, and you're ready to go. I know you want to know how you can download this thumbnail pack, and I'm going to tell you in a second. But first, I talked about a lot of the techniques that I struggled with. How to do cutouts and add effects, how to do gradients, how to find fonts that actually look good on your thumbnails. Well, I want to teach you how to do these things. So I'm going to start a live broadcast called The Process. It's going to be once a week, and for the first month, I'm going to cover all of the techniques that I know, everything you could ever want to know about creating great thumbnails. So you definitely don't want to miss that. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and click that notification bell so you know when the videos come out. So how do you get the free thumbnail template download pack? Well, it's not just thumbnails. There's a whole heck of a lot more you're going to be able to get. Things like video effects, watermarks, lower thirds, and titling sequences, as well as all the subscribe sequences that you've seen on my channel are going to be available to you for free to edit and modify in any way you see fit. All you have to do is go to Michael Fira Jr. In the menu at the top, you want to go ahead and click VIP Sign Up. And that's it. Once you're in the area, you'll have access to all these files and more. I'll also put a direct link to the sign up down in the description. And if you're interested in learning more about audience engagement techniques that can help you grow your channel, you should check this video out right here. Or if you just want to see what YouTube recommends, you can check this one out right here. Please do me a big favor and enjoy the free stuff. I hope you get a lot out of it. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. So go out there, create something awesome, make it count, have a great day, and I'll see you soon.